Hi, my name is Trevor Brown. I'm with Sterilex, and we are at IPPE 2022. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about our Ultra Step foot belt. If you'll notice here, this is a blue coloration to see surface coverage, as well as anti-slip agent in this. It is used to kill and remove biofilm and is an EPA registered product. We do some titrations on this just to determine what concentration is in the chemicals with our test strip. The way to do this is just take 400 milliliters of water. Scoop here. One small scoop. And water. Now from here you're supposed to shake for several minutes. Presentation. All right. So from here, two test strips here are showing quat, and the coloration is to line up with the chart on the side of the bottle. If you'll see, this is right between 50 and 100 ppm, showing our levels of quat. The other test strip showing peroxide, very similar process. Comparing, and we're right between 50 and 100 again. So that is how the test strip kit works. If anybody has any other further questions, feel free to reach out.